So this right here, man, right behind these 10, a lot of people, houses and stuff, but everybody kind of relaxed, you know? Everybody kind of just chilling. You know what I'm saying? Different, you know, different setup. Yeah, me coming from the United States, and you know, I'm used to different lifestyle, but it's fine though, man. I enjoy the culture. Definitely enjoy the culture. Oh yeah. Definitely, man. Just kind of touring the neighborhood right now, so we about to go check out the pool, man. So what they do, this pool right here, man, they just dig this right from up the underground.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
The water coming from underground, clean water.
Okay. Really clean water, man. You see they're having a good time. Oh man, them boys got. Whoa. Everybody just jumped right in the pool, man. Well, listen, man, I never saw nobody swim so good in my life, man. They swim like a bunch of fish over here, man. Let's see what she about to do. Let's see what they about to do. Alright, let's see, that's the diving board right there. They make their own diving board. That's what I'm talking about. Now, this one I'm talking about having a good time. They having a damn good time.
They enjoy their life. They don't got nothing to look, and they feel good.
See that?
Yeah.
They don't got much of nothing, man, but they enjoying themselves.
Yeah, that's why it's a message for people in the United States, you know. They got everything there, you know. They can enjoy it more.
Yeah.
They always depressed. I mean, many people depressed, you know.
That's real. That's real. You see, like that right there, man. So that's like we got diving boards where we at, but man, yo, they got a tree right there. They made their own diving board. That's what I'm talking about. More than one way to make it happen. I'll share a room. Let me get a closer zoom.
Dale.
En camisita encartelado, la bermuda por el culo, una vaina en la cintura, tuto con el patemulo. De los que corren conmigo ya sé cuáles son los puros. Hay muchos que se te viran por dinero y por un culo. No me la quiera pintar, de verdad que no eres mío. Menores de mi bloque, cualquiera te hacen tu lío. La calle está caliente, también los tigres míos. No inventes con nosotros que te mandamos para el Darío. Parece
That's what's up, man.
Cantan en inglés.
No, se hacen cómodos en inglés.
Pero que tú hablaste inglés.
Dice que esto es Gualey, menores están fundidos con la hey, lo prenden donde sea, no le paran a ley, te apagan tu película antes de darle a play, el fiscal ya no lo aguanta, andan a carta blanca en un 15 nuevecito, pero roncó la volanta, no sabía que ese día no lo cuidaba su santa y le arreglaron su velorio, como la ley lo manda, el que agarran no sapea, gritan el hora santa, porque le mataron uno de sus mejores volantes, la rabia no lo aguanta, esto huele a formón, esto ojo por ojo, esa es la ley del callejón, menores empatillados, dispuestos para la misión, unos mueren en...
So we back on the journey again, man. So it's rained a little bit, so we had to take a little break. We back on it again. So man, you know, like I say, man, it's a great experience, man, to be able to check out other cultures, man. So that's what I do. So, you know, I go to other countries, you know, because a lot of times, you know, people don't understand what's going on across the globe in other places. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I do. I go all over the world and get to understand the cultures and stuff like that. See, like that right there, they got their own little pool, man. Nice clear pool right by the river, man. Different flow. Different. Yeah, man, so. And that's the Sky Train.
They are picking up the garbage. Look.
Oh, man, okay, so.
You know, now they try to organize the country a little bit, you know.
Okay, that's good, man. So, what y'all seeing right there, that boat, man, they picking up the garbage in the river, so they trying to clean the country up a little bit. You see what I'm saying? So, they're trying to put in some work over here. Yeah, that right there, that's the Sky Train. That's how a lot of people get
That's
home.
a dead pig.
Oh, that's a dead pig?
Yeah.
Oh, man, okay. Man, a dead pig right in the river.
Yeah, the fish will eat it.
Okay, that's the fish dinner right there, okay. Yeah, a lot of people, that's how they get home. That's the Sky Train right there, so you catch the train home. So at the same time, we out here working, man, because see, name of the game, while I'm in these countries, I do some promotion. I let people know, man, you know what I'm saying? So, gotta put in work, man. So, you know, so that's what I do, man. Like, I handing out thousands and thousands of business cards. You feel what I'm saying? At the same time, you gotta go hard to go home, man. So I'm in these countries, we working. I got teams out here, we working, you feel me? That's real talk.
Una piedra. Una piedra.
Oh man, they swim like a bunch of fishes over here, man. Oh, this is crazy. Like, I ain't never seen nobody swim like this.
Pues con lo que vamos a tirar todito ya. Dale, dale.
Yo, this is
They
crazy.
cross the river, and they say they can know when they go deep, they can even find out how deep.
Damn, they can swim like that. Yo, this crazy right here. I never seen nothing like this in my life. But I'm still trying to learn how to swim. And them kids in fourth grade and kindergarten can swim better than me, man. That ain't fourth grade and kindergarten. God damn. Hey, listen, the way they swim, they don't need no fishing rod. They can jump in the river themselves, man. Jump in the river themselves.
This place here, that's where Christopher Columbus passed.
Oh, Christopher?
Yeah.
Okay, 1492.
Yeah, 1492. It was. I mean, it was the entrance of the beach. It's over there. You get in, and he getting all this.
Ah, okay. Man, listen, they swim like it ain't nothing, man. So that's the boat we going on right there?
¿A qué voy? Te llevo para ahí.
Oh, shit.
La lama. Ahí viene.
Entonces no vamos a caber todito.
And that boat, they
No,
strong.
ustedes dos ya.
Cabemos 4.
Oh, man, that boat, they strong, bro.
Sabía que le iba a meter de espalda.
We're gonna go.
Ah, shit.
Let's negotiate the price.
Yeah, see what they talk.
El mismo, nada más puede ser el mismo que ustedes. Diferente. Me lo puedes mostrar para ver, escúchame.
Okay. So what do you use to catch the fish? So I don't see them got a fishing rod. They just use the
¿Y
net.
cómo lo así con la vara? Oh, they use the shrimp. With shrimp, look.
Okay, that's the fishing rod right there. Damn. Yo, man, look at water getting in the boat, bro.
Oye, está asustado, dice que por qué le entra agua al bote.
No, es para tener la carne viva,
Es para tener los pescados vivos.
Oh, ese agua de ahí mismo.
Sí,
Oh yeah, that water he put it inside because he want to have the thing alive.
Okay.
The fish alive.
Para que no se mueran.
Okay. Word. Word.
Sacan una para abajo, mira.
Tira la basura y esto lo van a poner.
Man, welcome to the DR, man, Santo Domingo, man. So lots of fish in this river.
Yeah, fishing. Because the ocean, I mean, the beach is over there.
Okay, okay.
It connect with the ocean.
Ah.
The water is like salty, a little bit salty.
Okay. A little bit of salt, a little salt.
¿Y dónde ustedes pescan? Aquí mismo, en cualquier lado.
Aquí, bajamos para allá, para la playita, para allá, para el flotante.
De antes aparecía un pescado gigante y saltaba. ¿Cómo es que se
El
llama?
sábado.
Sábado. Todavía está vivo.
So you got a little couple fish on the boat right there. You don't want the fish to die, because that's where they fishing with right there. So this right here, I'll show you. This right here, this is their fishing rod, see? They go fishing with this. They go fishing with the fishing rod. And they got a thing on the fishing rod right there. That's a lobster. A lobster. They go fishing right there, man. So different fishing rod, man. We got the paddle, man. I feel like I'm back in the days, man. I'm back in the days with this. Yeah, man. So I hanging in there.
Había una gente parada ahí, muchachos, vi en una vaina inmensa que subió a la superficie, muchachos, con una vaina.
Ese mismo sábado.
The good thing about over here though, man, even though, you know, they don't got much technology as we got in the United States, the good part is the weather stay warm, hot over here, so.
Real hot.
Yeah, real hot, you know what I'm saying, year round. So they don't gotta worry about the air conditioners and stuff, you know what I'm saying, like we do and stuff like that. They done used to it, so they all right. This right here, this another little pool right here. Oh, they can see they about to go swimming right now. See, they getting ready right now, man. They about to dive off the diving board, man. Watch this. Whoa. See that, man? Good job, man. Okay, so they pretty much, okay, they pull the garbage out the water.
Dame una foto a mí. Dame una foto.
We walking through a neighborhood right now, man. Walking through the neighborhood. kids just chilling, relaxing.
Me saca los tenis, todos los pares de tenis, los rojos y los negros. Por allá afuera,
Grandpa just chilling right now. Idea.
¿Y qué son personas?
Right now, man, we going up the favelas. You know what I mean? We going way up the stairs, man. Puppies chilling. That's what it's like, man. Woo. Lots of stairs, man. Lots of stairs. So, I don't need no gym when I'm over here. I don't need no gym. I get all the cardio I need. All the exercise I need right here. We got more to go. Whew. Y'all tired, man. I need to lose about 20 pounds anyway, so shit, I'm good. It's all good.